I'm making this video to show you how to make money using one AI system that you can build out one time and then sell over and over and over again. This is the exact same system that I use to make over $33,000 a month by leveraging pre-built software systems that work together to bring local businesses insane results at an insane price point. I'm just going to show you the exact system I built, the software I used to build it, and then show you a live client account and basically just show you how all the systems work together to bring clients insane results. And then obviously show you how we make it so they basically never stop paying us. And you're not going to have to learn how to code or make any complex workflows or use Zapier and Make and custom code ChatGPT bots or anything like that. I promise you. You actually don't really need any tech skills at all. Before I started my company, I had a hard time operating a microwave, and now I have a company that just prints me money. Crazy how shit changes, I guess. But anyway, by building my company this way, it allows me to stack recurring revenue super fast. It allows me to onboard a bunch of clients every month, and it allows me to charge a price point that allows local businesses to keep paying me every single month. And it allows me to be lazy because the system is basically copy paste. All I have to do is customize it a little bit to each local business, and that's basically the whole process of fulfillment. And by the way, I have nothing to actually sell you, but if everything I'm about to show you makes sense, it would be amazing if you could use my affiliate link. You get all my cool shit, you get all my templates, all my sales calls, all my systems, and you get to avoid all the dumb shit I did along the way that basically made me not scale as fast as I should have. Let's get into it. All right, let's get into it. Actually, before we get into it, let me show you guys my Stripe account so you know I'm not full of shit. Let me refresh the page here really quick so you can see that this is accurate. As you can see, this month we're at about 33,500 recurring, about 135 active subscribers, and $22,000 so far. It's the 19th, so a little bit over $1,000 a day. So now you know I'm not full of shit. Let's actually get into the video. So we do not want to sell our time and talent. We want to sell AI systems, right? We want to pre-build one system that works together to leverage AI and automation to bring clients insane results and sell that exact same thing over and over and over and over and over again. And we want to make low ticket, monthly reoccurring revenue that gives us freedom and lifestyle. If you don't want that, you can click off the video because that's what I want. I'm lazy as shit. I don't want to do a bunch of custom work. I don't want to build custom websites. I don't want to run people's ads. I don't want to do any of that crazy shit. I just want a simple system that works, that leverages automation that clients never stop paying for. So I'm going to show you exactly step by step each feature we set up, what they look like, and I'm going to show you a live client account of what it actually looks like on their end. Before I jump into it and get into the website, I want you guys to understand this one thing. What we are doing is we are sending everything to a single mobile app that looks like this using GoHighLevel. If you don't know what GoHighLevel is, it's the software that we use to basically build all this, which I'll show you in a second. But this mobile app is what creates a sticky, reoccurring service because this is what they're going to use every day to run their business, right? This is where all the leads are going to come to. This is where they're going to do their phone calls, their invoicing, their calendars, depending on what kind of system you build out. But understand this is the key component to everything. That's why I have all these beautiful fancy lines running straight to this, because this is the sticky component that is going to keep people, not people, I guess local businesses paying you every single month to stack low ticket recurring revenue and allow you to have a lifestyle business. Okay. So first thing, we build them a website, right? And most websites, if you actually look at them, have don't even really have lead capture at all. But let me show you guys an actual example of what this looks like. So, and by the way, this is our website. If you guys want to check it out, stonesystems.io. Okay, so this is one of our clients' websites. I'll probably blur out some information. Most clients don't have any lead capture, anything like that on their website. So what we do is we put a chat widget down here in the bottom right. This is an insanely long quote form. Usually our forms are way shorter than this, but this is what they wanted. So when somebody comes to a website and fills out anything on here, it's going to go back to the mobile app. And that's going to start a conversation in here and the client can start texting them back. Now, what we also do is if somebody comes to the website here, we either have an AI chatbot or we just have a basic nurture sequence set up. So that person's already having a conversation started with them. So let me just show you a quick example of this. So this person right here, Pamela, I'm not going to say the last name, it'll be blurred out, but you can see here her contact information came through the chat widget. Our client picked it up. Actually, this isn't our client. This is our little chat response. And as you can see, it got a response, says, "Hi, Dave." It says, "Hey, Pamela, just got your text in my web chat. Thanks for reaching out." We purposely misspell the word thanks here so we can text them again and say, "Thanks for reaching out," to correct ourselves. We want to make the interaction seem human. So what you see here is a conversation's already been started without our client actually having to do anything. And if they had an AI chatbot installed, the conversation would have kept on. They didn't want that. They just wanted a basic lead follow-up. But if we just go to like Google or something, let's look up plumbers near me. Just to show you like most, let's actually go look. Actually, let's go look at this one. This is a perfect example. Most websites don't have any kind of lead capture at all. right? So like this phone number is not hyperlinked. There's no quote form. There's no way to even contact these people besides having to look at this number, memorize it, and then go on my phone and type it in, right? No chat widget in the bottom right, anything like nothing at all. So like imagine how much you could help this business if you offered them like helping them get reviews and then maybe gave them a website. And then all those leads that they would get would come straight to the mobile app like I just showed you right here, right? So that's the first thing we do. We do lead capture and lead nurture. This is the foot in the door offer that allows me to actually get clients onboarded because I'm giving them a tangible product. I'm saying, hey, we're going to get you more business by creating you a nice website that actually converts visitors to paying customers. Then we're going to capture the leads on your website. Then we're going to start conversations for you. And then you can come and pick up the conversation in your own little mobile app here. And they love the fact that this shit all goes to text messaging. They absolutely love it. So this is the first thing we do to actually get in the door. Now, after this, what we do is we get them 5-star Google reviews. Now, let me show you what this looks like. So if we come here to their website and we click leave a review, what's going to happen is if a client comes here and clicks 4 or 5 stars, it's going to take them directly to their page to leave a review. If the client comes here and leaves 1, 2, or 3 stars, it's going to redirect them here to leave private feedback, which means our client is no longer getting bad reviews. And what's going to happen is as soon as those reviews come in, they're going to populate here on the website, and clients absolutely love that. And what happens is as soon as one of our clients is done with a job, basically the automatic review request gets sent out. So it's automated, and then it also gets posted to their Google page like I just showed you, and it gets posted to their website. And then we also go in and respond to these reviews with AI. We just have AI go in and do standard responses. And I'm going to show you that actually right now. But the important thing to understand is now the business is getting more reviews. They're getting 5-star reviews, which is making their website on Google rank higher. So now they're getting leads through the website. Those leads are being nurtured and captured, and you're the one responsible for all of that. And as soon as they get a new review, they're seeing it pop up in the mobile app. So every single time they get a review, they see it pop up in the mobile app and they know it was from you, right? So again, I hate to keep saying this, but this is what creates a sticky service because they're using this to operate their business. And they're also getting back to clients with the app as well. And to automate this, let me show you that right now. But we also post it like I already said, and then we respond. So let me show you how you can automate it in the software right here. So what you're going to do is, this is GoHighLevel, by the way, use my affiliate link. But in here, over in reputation, you can just come here. And as you can see, like these guys got 50 reviews versus the previous 6 months, right? That's freaking insane. I think we got them, what did we get them? We got them 26 more Google reviews in their first month working with us. So this is insane. Like, let me show you how to actually respond to the Google reviews with AI. So you can literally come here, you can say wait time before responding, and we'll just say 5 minutes. We have automatic responses turned on. If you want to have the bot have a specific tone, you can. So friendly, professional, XYZ. And then you can just create the agent and it will basically just respond to all your clients' reviews in 5-10 minutes. We like to keep it on 5. Some people like 20, but 5 or 20 is great. Now, as far as actually showing you what actually came through their website, because as promised, I want to show you their results. They've got 64 leads through their form submission and 26 leads through their chat widget. So what is that? 60, 70, 80, that's 90 leads in like 2 months. Right? And they're paying us $297 a month. These people will never stop paying us, right? They are getting leads through the chat widget here, and they're getting leads through the booking form here. This is freaking insane. These guys are getting insane results. So let's go back. The other thing we do is we can reactivate old leads. Now, what this means is a lot of clients, like especially home service businesses, they have lists of thousands of customers that they just either have worked with or going to work with. I don't know. They just have all these leads that they never followed up with or old customers, whatever. So what we can do is we can input all of the leads into this system here, which is GoHighLevel. And we can basically text every one of those leads with some kind of a follow-up offer. And then you can use an AI chatbot to actually follow up with these leads and then book them into your client's calendar. So now they're getting leads on autopilot and not having to spend any money on paid ads, and you're just booking them appointments and making them money. And then you can also ask old leads for reviews, or not leads. You can ask old customers for reviews as well. That's super, super helpful. So if somebody comes to us, we'll ask them for a customer list, and then the first thing we'll do is review blast them. So now the first thing we're doing is getting them a bunch of reviews, which again makes their website up here rank higher on Google, which means more lead capture, more lead nurture, more conversations happening over here in the mobile app. And then what we'll do is if they just want money right now and they already have a bunch of reviews, what we can do is we can just do an AI follow-up. So instead of texting them to ask for reviews, we can text them with, let's say you're doing this for a gym. You can say, hey, there's a 50% off or a 1-month free trial of our gym this month only. Would you be interested in that? And you can text all of the gym's old leads and you can reactivate them and then have the AI bot book in the appointment and then have them actually show up at the gym, right? So now they're making money, like I said, no paid ads, and they're paying you $200 to $500 a month. It's freaking insane. So the other thing you can do here is you can add voice AI and auto call text back. For us right now, we only have auto call text back. We're playing with voice AI, but we can't get it to actually work totally properly yet, but it will. Voice AI will be able to book appointments, book calendars, take payments very, very soon. And they'll see all this information through the mobile app once again. Now, what they're going to see here is every single time they miss a phone call, our bot will basically text the person back and say, hey, sorry, I missed you, blah, 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 and try to start a conversation with them. And just like the lead nurture and the website leads and the reviews and anything that comes from the old lead list, all those conversations from the auto call text back are going to be held here in the mobile app. So your clients are now in here responding to leads inside the mobile app every day, and they are paying you for this service. They are paying you for this pre-built system that works together to save them time and money and make them more money, right? That's what small businesses care about. So the last thing we do is we provide a unified inbox, which means people's Instagram messages, Facebook, Gmail, text messages, anything at all basically that they want, they can link. And once again, you guessed it, it goes here to the mobile app. So what we're doing is we're basically stacking all of these systems, and we're basically using this mobile app as the central hub for them to respond to everything and run their business. Now, if you look at these systems, everything here can be automated inside this software here, GoHighLevel. Everything is automated, right? With custom values and snapshots, shameless plug, if you want all my stuff, you can use my affiliate link, but everything is completely automated. And what we're doing is we are leveraging AI systems and automation to set up clients' accounts. The only thing here that could potentially be a problem is the website. And honestly, the websites are all copy and paste as well. In GoHighLevel here, let me show you over here. You can go to websites up here, and you can go new website, and then you can click from templates, and you can just select from all these different templates from basically any kind of business in the world. You can find them here, right? They have thousands of templates that are really, really good. So you can basically just build out a client website in no time at all and just show it to them. Now, of course, they might want some customizations and shit, but now you host their website. They're now paying you for that. And any leads that come through the website, they're going to the mobile app. So this is exactly what we set up and pretty much literally the exact system I've used to $33,000 a month. I hope you guys found this helpful. I want you to understand the concept behind why this works. It's monthly low ticket recurring revenue. We're not doing custom shit, and we're using AI systems to leverage automation, not our time and talent. Go get it.